Welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to prevent Roblox from accessing your microphone on your Android device. If you're concerned about privacy and want to ensure that Roblox doesn't have access to your mic, follow these easy steps. First, open the settings on your Android device. You can find the Settings app usually in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down until you see Apps or Apps and Notifications and tap on that option. This will take you to a list of all the applications installed on your device. Once you're in the Apps section, look for the Roblox icon. You might need to scroll through the list, but don't worry, it should be there. Tap on the Roblox icon to access its specific settings. After that, you'll see several options related to Roblox. Look for the option that says Permissions and tap on it. This will show you all the permissions that Roblox has access to. Now, locate the microphone option. This is where you can manage microphone access for the app. When you tap on microphone, you'll see the current settings for this particular permission. Finally, tap on Don't Allow. By doing this, you ensure that Roblox will no longer have access to your microphone. That's it. You've successfully prevented Roblox from using your mic, enhancing your privacy while enjoying your gaming experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tips.